Got some random cattage, chickenage. Anybody need some chickens? That's a pretty rooster. Got some other ones too. Alright, anyway, this evening, before it gets dark, I'm going to try to get this upper rail guide off of here. And we'll stick it in there. That piece right there runs down through there. And hopefully it's probably got plow boats holding it on, which have a square shoulder and don't have too much trouble getting nuts off. Of course, PB Blaster always helps too. This ain't gonna be as bad as I thought it was. I thought old plow boats, they really work good until they come loose or rust out, and then you got problems. That one broke free pretty good. So I'm gonna get the rest of these broke free and we'll take a look at her. Alrighty, she's out. Didn't really have any trouble. The second one I had to hold the bolt out a little bit to keep it from turning, but the rest of them come off real easy. Now you can see these slots are holes are slotted, and that's to allow for adjustment, just like I'm sure this rail bottom here is slotted, and then you got little places where you can stick things to help pick up that rail as you need to, and then tighten it up. So here it is, and I won't have to replace all the bolts in here, I'm sure. See if I can get these bolts out of here. Looks like one of them fell out. That second one, that's the one that was loose on me, so it come right out. That bottom last one come out. Oh, that no one come out. It's rusted. Well, you can see kindly. We can get down the background where you can see it better. See where it beat up right there at that screw bolt hole. Pretty beat up. The rest of it's in good shape. So what I'm going to try to do is straighten it. I may have to take it out to the shop and heat it with my torch to get it really straight. But we got a pretty good size anvil here. I'll get this other bolt out of here. Yeah, pretty easy. Oh, there she goes. Alright, we got all the bolts out now. Some crap in here. We've got a pretty heavy duty anvil. This thing's been here for years, and I know y'all have seen this tree in my other videos. This is the roots of this tree. This root right here is sticking out of the ground 6 inches or better. There's about over a foot. It's just enormous. And we used to be able to drive, well, I say we, I wasn't even born at the time. Sun's kind of, let me go where the sun's not shining so bright. It's kind of aimed into the sun. But my granddad built the old barn in the early 50s. He said in 1952 when he moved here, this tree was just a sapling. And he used to drive, well, after he built this barn was a hog parlor. And this right here used to be the ditch the hog manure would run out, and it would run down into the ditch out there at the road. Well, it got to smelling so bad one summer, so he took his 8-in tractor and covered it up with dirt. So he used to be able to drive an 8-inch tractor between this tree and this barn, and now they might be 3-foot clearance up there, and the tree has grown straight to the damn building. Actually, the roots have broke the concrete in the hall of the barn. So this tree was probably, if you was to cut it and look at the ring growth on this side, probably teeny rings, and then they just get bigger and bigger going out that way. It's pretty amazing. One of his favorite stories was always when people asked how'd that tree get so big, he'd tell them all the bullshit around here. People would come, and we used to have a bench that's laid across these roots here. People could sit, and he would swing and talk to folks for as long as they'd stay, and that was where the bullshit come in. So anyway, I got some new ball bearings, but my bolts are not the same bolts as these. These has got some kind of locking looking mechanism in it. I don't know if you can tell from that angle. See if I can go high def with it. No, I can't go high def with already recording. Anyway, I ain't gonna have to replace all of them. Thankfully, I'm just gonna replace what needs replacing if I can get them bolts out. And if I can't, I'm screwed. Anyway, I'm gonna get this piece and take it over there and try to beat on it. I'm gonna show you a little better view of it. Yeah. Okay, this is looking at the side. Back off a little bit. Okay, and you see it's bent up toward that hole, and then on this side it is just grooved. Funny how the rest of it's almost perfect. You know, it's like it somehow or another it hit something and it fucked that piece up. So I guess I'll go see if I can order this damn piece. And I ordered me a guard or a shield for that. I may get two. Them things is $37 a piece at Messick's.